Good morning, student. This one is the last part of this chapter exercise. I will solve the exercise in two parts. This one is the first part of the exercise. Now add rupees 32,354 and rupees 12,674. Now add this amount. Number 1, rupees 32,354, rupees 12,674. Add the amount. 4 plus 4 8, 5 plus 7 12, 1 is in your hand, 3 plus 1 4, 6 plus 4 0, 1 is in your hand, 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 2 5, 3 plus 1 4. So answer is rupees 45,028. Number 2 also addition and you will try to solve it. Now number 3. Number 3 is subtraction. Number 3. So is number 1. Now number 3. Subtract rupees 32,346 from rupees 52,324. Rupees 52,324 minus rupees 32,346. 4 is smaller than 6, so 14, 8. 4 plus 1 5, 12, again 7. 2 plus 1 4, 39. 2 plus 1 3, 12, 9. 3 plus 1 4, 5 minus 4 1. So answer is rupees 19,978. Now number 4. Subtract rupees 503.82 from the sum of rupees 241.64 and rupees 773.57. First you add the amount, then you will subtract. Number 4. Rupees 241.64. Rupees 773.57. First you add these two amounts. 4 plus 7 11, 1 is in your hand. 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus 5 12. Again 1 is in your hand. 1 plus 1 2, 3 plus 2 5, 7 plus 4 11. 1 is in your hand. 2 plus 1 3, 7 plus 3 10. So rupees 1015.21. Subtract rupees 503.82 from this amount. Rupees 503.82 and you will get your answer. 11 is smaller than 2, so 1 is smaller than 2, so 11 9, 8 plus 1 9, 12 3 point, 3 plus 1 4, 5 minus 4 1, 1 minus 0 1. Again 0 is smaller than 5, so 10 5 1 minus 1 0. So rupees 511.39. Okay. Now number 5. Multiply rupees 12,455 by 11 just to multiply this amount by 11. Very easy this one. Number 6. Multiply the sum of rupees 1,232 and rupees 1,236 by 13. This one also easy. First you add the amount, then you multiply by 13. Rupees 1,232. Rupees 1,236. Add these two amounts. 6 plus 2 8. 3 plus 3 6. 2 plus 2 4. 1 plus 1 2. Rupees 2,468. Now multiply this amount by 13. 13 into 8 104. So 10 is in your hand. 13 into 6 78. 78 plus 10 88. So 8 is in your hand. 13 into 4 52. 52 plus 8 60. 60. So 6 is in your hand. 13 into 2 26. 26 plus 6 32. Answer is 32,084. Now divide rupees 45,225 by 15. You just divide the amount by 15. I want everyone try to do this one. Do the question number 7. Now number 8. 8 is a problem solving. Karina had rupees 4,500 in her purse. Her father gave her rupees 5,500 more. She put this amount also in the same purse. How much does she have in purse now? So you have to add these two amounts and you will get your answer. Number 9. A cup and a bowl together cost 4,423.50. The cup cost rupees 136. What does the bowl cost? Just you divide the amount. Number 9. The cost of a bowl is equal. The cost of a bowl and a cup equal rupees 423.50. Cost of a cup equal rupees 136. Rupees 136. Therefore, the cost of the bowl equal 0.0005. 3 smaller than 6, 13, 7, 3 plus 1, 4, 12, 8, 1 plus 1, 2, 4 minus 2. So answer is 287.50. Okay, a pen cost rupees 25.50. What is the cost of 32 such pens? Just to multiply 32 with the amount rupees 25.50. Number 11. The cost of 12 gift is total amount here is given. You have to find out the cost of one gift, so you have to divide this one. Now number 12. Estimate by rounding to the nearest rupees. Rupees 232.78, rupees 458.29. 12. Rupees 232.78 plus rupees 458.29. Estimate by rounding to the nearest rupees. So approx 28 is nearest to 100, is more than 50. So it will be rupees 232, because you have to add one rupee with this amount, with rupees 232. Now 29 is smaller than 50, so you have to write rupees 458. Now add the amount. Rupees 8 plus 3 11, 1 is in your hand, 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, 4 plus 2 6, rupees 691. Okay, now number 13. Estimate the rounding to the nearest rupees. This one is also same. Rupees 733.98 minus rupees 569.69. Then you have to subtract the amount. Approx 9.98 paisa is more than is less than 100 or nearest to 100 or more than 50. 98% is more than 50, so it will be. So you have to add 1 rupee with this amount. So answer is 734 minus 69 is more than 50. So your answer is rupees 570. You have to add 1 rupee with this amount. So answer, subtract this amount. 4 minus 0, 4. 3 is smaller than 7 to 13, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 7 minus 6, 1. 100 rupees 160. Clear? Now the next part of this exercise I will discuss in my next video. So take care. Until then, thank you.